So for today's video, we're going to do a Greek salad. The Greek salad, or the Horiatiki salad, is simply translated to the farmer's salad. Now, this salad is often imagined as a farmer's breakfast or lunch, as the ingredients resemble those a farmer might have in hand. This Greek salad is one of the most popular salads in Greek cuisine, and also one of the most popular salads in the world. It's easy to make, it's delicious to eat, so let's make this Greek salad. So let's start off by cutting 2 English cucumbers. Now you could peel the cucumber, but for English cucumbers that's not necessary. Now next, the tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes here, but you could use any kind of tomatoes. So first, I'm going to half my tomatoes and then quarter them. So now when cutting any vegetables, make sure you use a sharp knife so you don't crush the vegetables and you get maximum flavor. Next, I'm going to slice half a red onion and a red pepper. Now traditionally, you use a green pepper in a Greek salad, but I'm going to use a red pepper because it's a bit more sweeter. Now next, I'm going to cut a baby gem lettuce. This is optional. I like a bit of salad in my Greek salad. For the vinaigrette, some olive oil, some Greek oregano, and then crush the Greek oregano. Now this has a very distinct flavor. If you can't find this, you could use regular oregano. Add it to your olive oil, the zest of a lemon, and the juice of the lemon. A spoon of honey, some sea salt, and some vinegar. I'm using a citrus vinegar here. You could use red wine or white wine. A spoon of mustard, and whisk it all together. Whisk it till your mixture is nice and emulsified. Your oil and your vinegar should be nice and emulsified, and you'll get a nice creamy texture. Add your cucumbers, your cherry tomatoes, then your red onion. You could also use the shallot. Then your peppers and your Kalamata olives. Then the optional part, the baby gem lettuce. And then drizzle in your vinaigrette. Now your feta cheese. I'm using a sheep smoked feta. I'm just going to season it with some Greek oregano, some olive oil, and some mint leaves. Now toss your salad. Now do not dress your salad too early or it won't taste really nice. Dress it just when you're ready to serve. Now to serve, place your vegetables in a bowl. And then place the whole feta on top. But the most common way of eating this is by cutting your feta cheese into blocks. Now you could cut it into slices, you could cut it into blocks, or you could just tear it like a rustic salad. The choice is entirely up to you. Place your feta over your salad and your salad is ready to go. And there you have it, a beautiful, light, authentic Greek salad, fresh and easy to make. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Bon appetit!